Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some fresh and exciting leaks about the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. Since our last update on iPhone 17 rumors a few months ago, a wave of new details has surfaced. Some surprising, some disappointing, and some downright unexpected. Let's break down the three biggest leaks you need to know about. Starting with a shocking one, according to Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 17 Pro's main camera sensor might actually be getting smaller. That's right, instead of an upgrade, Apple seems to be shrinking it. Currently, the iPhone 16 Pro uses a 1/1.28-inch sensor, but leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Pro will move to a 1/1.3-inch sensor, which is slightly smaller. At first glance, this might sound like bad news. Typically, larger sensors result in better image quality, especially in low light conditions. Many were hoping Apple would take the leap to a 1-inch sensor, similar to high-end Android flagships, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So, why this move? Even with a smaller sensor, Apple might have optimized image processing to maintain or even improve low light performance. Worst case, the difference could be barely noticeable. Best case? It could still deliver impressive results despite the size reduction. However, don't expect a huge leap in camera quality this time around. If you've been following the leaks, you might have seen the rumored iPhone 17 Pro renders featuring a centered camera module, similar to Google's Pixel series. In addition to this redesign, leaks also hint at a dual-tone finish, with a metal upper portion and a glass bottom. Several sources, including The Information and Chinese leakers, have backed these claims. But not everyone agrees. Well-known leaker Instant Digital suggests Apple will keep its current triangular camera layout instead of switching to a horizontal visor-style design like Google's Pixel lineup. Which one is true? It might all depend on Apple's plans for spatial video. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro already support spatial video recording for Apple Vision Pro, thanks to their side-by-side camera placement. If Apple switches to a horizontal layout, cameras would be stacked vertically, which could disrupt 3D spatial video recording. One possible workaround? Apple could introduce 8K video recording on both the main and ultra-wide cameras simultaneously. However, this would require a major processing power boost, and it's still unclear if the A19 Pro chip can handle it. Initially, leaks suggested that the iPhone 17 Air would feature a single, centered rear camera. But new reports from Majin Buu indicate that its design might actually be closer to the iPhone 17 Pro than expected. This increases the chances that Apple is standardizing a centered camera layout across multiple models. Even more interesting, the iPhone 17 Air might not feature the rumored dual-material design. Instead, leaks now show a cleaner, more refined, single-finish look. What do you think about these changes? Let us know in the comments. For months, rumors have been swirling that Apple is making major design shifts for the iPhone 17 lineup, particularly in the camera department. While some early leaks were dismissed, new CAD renders have reignited speculation about one of Apple's biggest camera redesigns in years. Majin Buu recently revealed a CAD render of what appears to be an iPhone 17 case. And guess what? It strongly supports the idea of a horizontal, pill-shaped camera array. If true, Apple might finally be moving away from its signature camera bump in favor of a design that resembles Google's Pixel lineup. Interestingly, this isn't the first time Majin Buu has hinted at something similar. Previous leaks showcased a triple lens setup in a row, with an LED flash positioned to the right. This new render, however, provides even more details, including a potential new camera control button and a relocated lock button. Things get even more intriguing. This redesign may not be exclusive to the Pro models. It could extend to the base iPhone 17 as well. That would mean Apple is introducing a significant design overhaul across the entire lineup. But there's one puzzling detail: the leaked case only has a single camera cutout. Base iPhones usually have two cameras, so is this just a design quirk? Or could Apple be adopting a new camera setup for non-Pro models? We'll have to wait and see. For years, Apple and Samsung have drawn inspiration from each other. But now, it looks like Apple is taking cues from Google. The Pixel 9 series already seems more Apple-like than ever, and if Apple adopts a horizontal camera bar, the similarities between the two brands might become even more noticeable. One of the defining features of iPhones has always been their distinct camera module design, just like how Google's pill-shaped camera bar is unique to the Pixel lineup. If both companies blur their design identities, will they lose what makes them instantly recognizable? Before we get too excited or concerned, let's take a step back. Majin Buu's leaks have been a mix of hits and misses, with an accuracy rate hovering around 50%. Some of their predictions have been spot on, while others have completely missed the mark. However, they aren't the only source suggesting these design shifts, so the likelihood of Apple making big changes is growing stronger. So, the big question remains, is this a bold new direction, or is Apple losing its unique design identity? Share your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the latest iPhone 17 leaks, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.